Hello everyone, and this is my I could say unboxing of my new sketchbook. I'm probably gonna label this video unboxing because this time this sketchbook came in a box this time instead of like an actual package like it usually does for most other sketchbooks. And this is a different sketchbook because I guess it's more like an Amazon Basic sketchbook. That's what it's called. I'll probably, if I do, I'm doing a sketchbook tour of this sketchbook, it's probably gonna be my Amazon sketchbook tour. It's probably gonna be called it. And the reason why I ordered this sketchbook is because it currently my Arctica sketchbook right here is almost finished. I think let me see. I think I only have these brown pages left, and I can't use normal sketches with this kind of paper and stuff. Hopefully, I'll get the sketchbook done soon because there's a lot of pages left, most of the brown pages and stuff. And to lead off a little note, these smaller sketchbooks like these are basically for doodling most of the time. I know you guys have been, some of you guys have been asking me to add more sketches to the page and stuff, but these are just basic doodles that I usually do in these smaller sketchbooks. I usually do more of the work on the bigger sketchbooks, like the Sue Color sketchbook that I do more sketches on because the pages are bigger. Yeah, especially with my style of art and stuff, I do like large characters, especially since I do like a lot of dinosaur art and a lot of dinosaur drawings. Yeah, I can take up a whole page sometimes. But if I decide to do more sketches on these type of sketchbooks and stuff, I'm probably just gonna do more character sketchbooks, character pages and stuff. Like I'll dedicate a page to like a certain character. Let's just say Abby from Karate Books, or I decided to draw her. I might like draw her water once on one page. Yeah. But if it's like a dinosaur or animal drawing, you might take up the whole page sometimes. So yeah, that's different. So let's pack now. I'm not rambling on. So use my screwdriver to pick it a little bit. Okay. Oh, we got a lot of noise. If somebody doesn't knock down my phone in the middle of recording. Yep, Amazon Basic sketchbook. Let's take it out. Wow, it's actually larger than I thought it would be. I mean, it's the same size as my fixed sketchbook. It's actually kind of bigger than my Prina sketchbook. Let me see. Let's see what size of these are. Yeah, the Prina sketchbook's a little taller, but you know, it's the same size usually. Let's tell the let's see. Take out the pages a little bit with my screwdriver. Yep. In terms of the book itself, it's pretty bulky. I wanted a bunch of sheets because, you know, it's bigger sketchbooks and stuff. And that means more content, just in case I decided to draw 25 characters and stuff, or pages. The paper itself, it's just like my fixed sketchbook, in terms of the sketchbook and stuff. And this time, this whole sketchbook is usually just all whites, which I prefer over some of the paper in my Prina sketchbook. I could do off a little doodle. Let's see, what can I draw? I could draw a character. Yeah, let's see. I could draw Kirby, the monster character. You know, that monster character I usually draw. Maybe I'll lead off on another video. I'll draw Kirby. That's the character that you guys know about. I'm thinking. I could draw Merlin, the fairy dragon, or Fang. Fang the. Let's just draw the fairy dragon. Merlin. In terms of the paper itself, it's pretty good. Nah, his legs are too big. I had to like finish this video when I was drawing somehow. Just how it goes. Merlin is definitely more dinosaur like than dragon. I usually draw him a lot. Same way, waving hi to you guys. I think I got a comment saying that I had to slow down the drawings a little bit. It's because I'm drawing too fast. I'll slow it down for you guys. The wings look weird. It looks. I'll draw it again. I gotta erase a little bit of the hand a little bit. Draw the hand again. That's better. Just draw a little slowly. Yep, that's Merlin the dragon. Judge how the sketchbook feels is pretty much just the fix for sketchbook again, which I prefer. Yeah, it's called the Amazon Basic Sketchbook. The next time I'll probably instead of 15 drawings, it's gonna be 25 drawings. Since this is a lot, it's a larger sketchbook than the Prina one. Because the Prina one was only 50 pages, so I lowered it to 15 drawings per sketchbook tour. But this next time I'm going to have 25 drawings next time per sketchbook tour. Yeah. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it.